Yep, getting ready for the premiere. We just set up, did image and sound, and my mom came right there. So this should be fun.
Waiting for people to get here. It's an honor to be here.
Thanks, Mom.
The director's taking pictures.
Yeah.
Rock star.
We've got a good crowd, Donzie.
It's sold out. They had to open the balcony.
Oh, right on.
Isn't that funny? You come to a film and the microphones don't work. Huh? Ladies and gentlemen, a very pleasant good day to you. You will see all the names of the marvelous players of this fine film. First off, welcome to the world premiere of Stanley, by the way. This day truly belongs to Mr. Lance Matsey. Give him a big round. We'll keep this very short because we want to see the movie. I think you'll be very, very excited. It has been a marvelous project for all of us involved. And again, our very best to Lance Matsey. Ladies and gentlemen, please view Stanley. Thank you.